When it comes to protecting your home or business, security is a top priority. One of the most effective ways to enhance the safety of your property is by installing high-quality security doors. These doors not only provide an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access but also give you peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones, valuables, and property are secure. In Clinton Township, expert door installation services ensure that your security doors are fitted with precision and care, offering you the best possible protection. Why choose security doors? Security doors are specially designed to be durable, strong, and resistant to various forms of attack. Unlike regular doors, they are constructed using reinforced materials such as steel or solid metal, making them significantly more difficult to break through. This added strength makes security doors an excellent deterrent against break-ins, thefts, and vandalism. Additionally, many security doors come with advanced locking systems, including deadbolts, keyless entry, and multi-point locks, which further enhance their ability to resist tampering or forced entry. In Clinton Township, where the safety of your home or business is crucial, a high-quality security door can provide you with peace of mind. Whether you are upgrading your current entry points or building a new property, installing a security door ensures that you're taking a proactive approach to securing your space. The benefits of professional door installation. While security doors are highly effective at protecting your property, their effectiveness is only as good as the installation process. Even the best security door won't provide maximum protection if it isn't installed correctly. That's where expert door installation in Clinton Township comes into play. Here's why hiring professionals for the installation of your security doors is the best decision you can make. Precision and expertise. Professional door installers have the knowledge and skills needed to install security doors accurately and securely. They understand the importance of proper alignment, ensuring that the door closes tightly and that all locks and mechanisms are functioning optimally. A poorly installed security door can leave gaps, making it easier for intruders to bypass the door's security features. Correct sizing and fit. Security doors are designed to fit specific dimensions and specifications. A professional installer will take precise measurements of your door frame and ensure that the security door fits perfectly. This attention to detail prevents any issues with functionality and guarantees the door's performance in protecting your property. Comprehensive inspection. A professional installer will also inspect your door frame and surrounding structure before installation. This thorough inspection helps identify any existing issues, such as cracks, damage, or weaknesses in the frame, which could undermine the effectiveness of the security door. If necessary, the installer can recommend repairs or enhancements to strengthen the entry point before the new door is installed. Time and cost efficiency. Attempting to install a security door yourself may result in wasted time, effort, and possibly even costly mistakes. Professional installers have the right tools and experience to complete the job quickly and efficiently. By hiring experts, you can avoid unnecessary delays and ensure that the job is done correctly the first time around, saving you money in the long run. Choosing the right security door. With so many options available, selecting the right security door for your needs can be overwhelming. Whether you're interested in a sleek modern design or a more traditional look, there are various styles and materials to choose from. Some options include steel doors, wrought iron doors, and even wooden doors with reinforced security features. In Clinton Township, working with a professional installation team means you will have access to a wide range of security door options. Experts can help you navigate the choices based on your specific needs, preferences, and budget, ensuring that you select the best door for your property. A long-term investment in safety. Security doors are a long-term investment in the safety of your home or business. By choosing high-quality materials and expert installation services in Clinton Township, you are ensuring that your property remains protected for years to come. A well-installed security door is not just an added layer of protection, it's a critical component in safeguarding your space and loved ones. Whether you're concerned about break-ins, weather conditions, or simply want to increase your property's overall security, expert door installation is an investment that pays off. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the necessary steps today to enhance your safety and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home or business is well protected.